focuses on fruits, veggies, carbohydrates and protein and vitamins, and for healthy eating and healthy staying. I'll be starting with dieting. Dieting is a special course of food that helps people to live by it through losing weight, for medical reasons that helps person to be better, or maybe to gain weight, and maybe, yeah. Thank you. Number one is fruits. We talk about the apple fruits, we talk about the avocado that helps you for nutrition values. Number two, we talk about the veggies that helps you to avoid constipation and gives you to avoid diseases. I would like you to give you a menu that helps you to eat well. In the morning as you wake up, you can first take warm water, and then that helps you clean up your digestive system. Number two, you stay like maybe 1 to 2 hours or maybe 30 minutes. You can take your breakfast that contains the components of food, which are vitamins, carbohydrates, protein, and roughages, plus water. Water is very essential in everything, in the food, so you should at least take 3 to 8 glasses. If you can't 8 glasses, you can take 6 or 7. At most 5 glasses of water. At around lunchtime, you can take a small amount of food, and then at around 4, you take tea or coffee or juice with any protein or carbohydrates. You can take bread or cupcakes, and around still like 3 to 4 hours, or maybe 2 for supper. You prepare supper and you take it. That contains vitamins, carbohydrates, but at very small amounts of food. That help, because that time in the evening, you decide your body is relaxing, so you just take little amount of food, and then so for easy digestion. And please avoid the coffee privilege and the tea privileges, that it will stimulate your mind. And thank you for listening to this topic of dieting. See you. Bye.